KOFFATV travel video disclaimer. The travel in this video series was done using every precaution necessary to travel during the pandemic. Several pre-travel and post-travel COVID tests were taken that yielded negative results, and the footage in this video series was taken over 2 days of experience in the city, with the rest of them spent indoors. For guidelines regarding travel, please see the requirements for each country you might be visiting during this time. Thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoy. Stay safe. This video series is brought to you by Urge Pret, located at the Giga Mall in downtown Islamabad, offering formal, semi-formal, casual women's apparel. Shop Urge Pret at urge.pk. In the fashion and creative industries, join We Mentor. Sell, connect, and learn on the We Mentor community. Create an account today. True BMI, tracking our goals together. Learn more about True BMI. Now let's enjoy the rest of this video. On the previous video, I showed you my flight experience to Pakistan on Qatar Airways. We saw and viewed my Airbnb, the neighborhood, and the shopping experience that I had at the local supermarket. Now we're going to get into this video where I'm going to explore a little bit. As I said in the disclaimer, I was not able to actually go through the city the way I would like to if we were in different times. However, I was able to capture a little bit and a few things that I was able to enjoy in Islamabad. Let's get into the video. With my first night out, my friends took me to go visit a great place called Central Park, located in DHA Phase 2 in Islamabad. My friends Ateeb, Waleed, and Shahid took me to go check out a restaurant called The Spice Factory. I would like to tell you a bit about what I've learned about The Spice Factory. Of course, located in Islamabad, they offer Pakistani dishes such as the ones you see on the screen. The restaurant's interior is beautiful. However, due to health measures, all seating was all outdoors, which was awesome. To learn more about this restaurant, look them up on Facebook or on their other social media pages. Now let's see some of the experiences from that night.
कंस्ट्रक्शन होंदी स्पीड कैसे आ रहा है
Dude, there's an accident that just happened in front of me. Oh my god.
Did you record it?
Yes. What? Oh my. My heart is like pounding right now. Like, I can't believe that happened. Okay, like I'm really getting like accustomed to like everything. Like I've been here for like I guess 24 hours or whatever. So yeah, just an accident just happened right in front of me, and the guys are just like, yeah, it's just like whatever. Like, okay, so hey guys, look at this. This is a McDonald's. Like, can you believe this? Like, McDonald's don't even look like this in the US. Like at all. Like, this is amazing. Like, this is like super nice. Wow. I don't know what this is, but this looks pretty cool. It's a coffee shop? Oh, wow. So we just got dropped off. Ateeb and his brother. You can't really see because it's kind of dark. And I don't have a flash. You see how tall they are? Like, he's 6'6" and his brother's 6'4". And so anyway, we're here. Like, there's a McDonald's right here. We might go check it out and see what's going on. And then there is a place called Cafe Crutch, and it looks pretty cool, so I'm excited to check out everything. So look at the guys, look at them. Oh my god. Actually, it's crazy how this like brings up so much light. Ateeb is like, as soon as the camera comes on, he's like, you hate the camera. Why? So Waleed came and got us to go into the restaurant, and what I ordered tonight was French fries with no salt and a non-alcoholic margarita. It was actually pretty good. Being a vegan, sometimes there's not going to be a lot of options available because I am gluten-free and soy-free. So I just played it safe tonight and had some fries, and they taste pretty awesome. So these were the non-vegan choices, and these are like what they're getting, and it looks amazing. They have like, what do you call this bread?
Roti. It's not.
Well, it looks really nice. It looks soft. They're about to dig into it and tear this up. Like, this looks really good. If I didn't have all the dietary restrictions, I would partake, but this looks really good. Oh yeah, go ahead. Like, action. They're just cracking up because I'm filming everything. I'm going to get some rest, and tomorrow I'm going to go check out where I can get fresh produce. I am super excited to see this. So I had to take my wig off because I was doing 80,000 mutts. So now I have my mask on. I have on a double mask, and I'm going to get ready to go. I got my whole look together. So let's hit it, and let's get out there and see the marketplace. About to go get some groceries, and I'm gonna take an extra mask because my lip gloss is like really smudging this up. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, toodles. It's fresh produce time, and I am going to go check out an outdoor shopping area, or actually it's like a farmer's market, to get some produce. Now, one of the things that I did enjoy seeing is the fact that where I stayed in Islamabad, there was a lot of new structures being built. Besides residential properties being built, we saw a lot of commercial buildings. So that meant that, in my eyes, that a lot of people from other places of Pakistan might be moving into this area to set up their businesses and to also create more activities for people that live in the area. I just love this, and I enjoyed this ride. The traffic was wonderful. There wasn't a lot of people out at this time, and we're going to go get produce from an area that has like kind of like a farmer's market type feel. So I'm super excited to show you guys my experience there, and yeah, I'm really enjoying my second day in Pakistan. So we're at a farmer's market, and everything looks super good. Like they're checking out stuff or whatever, but it looks awesome. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, I'm happy. Wow, look at all this. This is amazing. So I'm gonna get some fruits and vegetables. I'm gonna go shopping.
Just tell them what you need.
Okay. So I'm gonna get some bell peppers. I'm gonna get sweet potatoes. I'll get some sweet potatoes.
How much?
3 of them. Because I'm curious about the supply chain of how food and other consumer goods are sourced and sold, I had to ask one of my friends. So I asked Ateeb, do each merchant at the produce market have their own farms? He answered, Many merchants actually get their fruits and vegetables from Mandi. That is a big wholesale market, and the Mandi people bring their vegetables and fruits from their farms and they bid with local sellers. Produce is then purchased and the seller brings them to their local markets. Now, if any of you have experience in this area too, feel free to share below because I love to learn. Just to let you guys know, when I got back to the Airbnb, these fruits and vegetables were very fresh and they taste so good. So I really enjoyed the produce and the selection, and now we're about to check out, but I want to go and see how much this is because I'm buying quite a bit of stuff. Can you believe I got all this stuff for $4 US, bro? Like $4 US. I got all that. Are you serious? $4 US, and I got all that stuff. Ah, that's crazy. It would never, ever. I thought I was about to spend like $40. $4 US. Oh my. Make sure to watch the rest of my Pakistan travel videos. I'll be uploading more, or if you're watching this when all of them have been uploaded already, just go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.